Adventure Agents presents to you Ireland. Your adventure awaits. During this summer, we'd like you to enjoy 7 days in Dublin. From July 16th to July 22nd, you'll be able to view some of the most incredible sights in the world and meet some of the best people. In Dublin, you can enjoy the remarkable views of Romanesque agriculture, visit the Black Forge pub, home of the world-renowned fighter Conor McGregor. You can spend a day at the Blarney Castle and learn about its history, and enjoy some incredible international Ireland cuisine and beverages. These are your flight arrangements. On 3:55 p.m. on July 16th, you'll depart the Traverse City Airport, where then you will arrive in Newark at 6:10 p.m. for a 3-hour and 50-minute layover, departing Newark at 10 p.m., where you will finally arrive in Dublin at 10 a.m. on July 17th. Now, on the way back to the States, you'll leave Dublin at 9:20 a.m. on July 23rd, arrive in Newark at 11:50 a.m. for a 1-hour and 10-minute layover. You'll depart Newark at 1 p.m. and arrive back in Traverse City at 3:09 p.m. on July 23rd. During the duration of your stay, you'll stay at the Carnegie Court Hotel. This hotel displays the beautiful Romanesque agriculture of Ireland. Carnegie Court Hotel offers a continental breakfast so that you won't need to worry about spending money on breakfasts during the duration of your trip. The hotel is also centrally located in walking distance to public transportation in order to get you to your tours or around town. And then the Carnegie Court Hotel is rated an 8.4 on Hotels.com, so you'll be sure to have a pleasurable and memorable experience. The first tour is the Dark Dublin Guided Walking Tour. This tour is only $15 per person and is for sure to be an unforgettable experience. For 2.5 hours, you will learn about the murders, mysteries, and tales while visiting the scariest places in Ireland. Your second tour will be the Blarney Castle day trip. This will be a 12-hour trip, allowing you to educate yourself with experience of being at the Blarney Castle, period. Your third tour will be the Dublin Cycle Tour. This will only cost you $33 and will allow you to follow the locals to their favorite spots in Dublin. Your fourth tour will be a Dublin private food tour. This will cost you $100, but will be well worth it. For 3.5 hours, you'll be able to sample Ireland's authentic cuisine. Some of the Irish dishes that you'll be able to try include, but aren't limited to, shepherd's pie, bangers and mash, and Irish stew. You may have heard of some of these in the States, but Ireland, in Ireland, the authenticity can't be beat. And finally, we have the Cliffs of Moher tour. For this tour, we saved the best for last. This tour holds some of the most remarkable views in the world. It will cost you $75 and last nearly 13 hours of your day. The Cliffs of Moher runs miles, and there are countless sights to see. And the Cliffs of Moher promises to take your breath away. And finally, we have Conor McGregor's Black Forge Inn. This is a place that you can visit to experience Ireland at its fullest. Whether you want to enjoy a nice pub meal or an Irish beer, or just even get your chance to see the UFC fighter McGregor himself, the Black Forge Inn is definitely a place you'll like to visit. Here's a cost breakdown of the trip, which will cost just a little over $3,000. But it will cover your round-trip airfare, will cover a 7-night stay at the Carnegie Court Hotel with breakfast, 5 memorable tours, and a tram pass to cover your public transportation the whole trip. Visit Ireland, where your adventure awaits. Alright, I'd like to show you all my brochure. I included a little description of the trip, some key photos, pictures from the tours, a cost breakdown, and a nice little cover page. I also created a letter for my travelers, which was also included a little description with a little name pop there for McGregor, a small itinerary, and another cost breakdown. Now we have my cover here. Shows a photo of the Black Forge Inn, a beautiful picture from the cliffs of Moher, and the Blarney Castle trip. Alright, thanks so much for viewing, guys. I hope you all do great on your presentations and have a great summer.